What is going on, guys? How's everybody doing out there? It's Pandora, the postcard diva. I hope you are having a marvelous day today. Good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. We are back. All right. If you haven't checked out my projects, make sure you go to the link in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out. See what I got going on. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. We're back with CMP. Want to talk about it. We only have what, guys, before the end of the year. We've got some great opportunities here that I've talked to you guys about for this year, basically the whole year. We've got 3 digital products. You can check those out in the description as well. But look in here, we've only got what, 87 days left in 2024? Time remaining in 2024, 87 days, and it will be 2025. Can you believe that? How time flies. So check it out. We're in the 4th quarter. A lot going on in the 4th quarter. We've got Halloween coming up. Then we've got Black Friday, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. It's going to be a busy, busy season all around for everything. People will be buying, okay? E-commerce. Folks are going to be looking for opportunities to get started online. So I want you to check this one out. This one shows you how you can earn $400 instant commissions. Doesn't matter if you're newbie, non-technical, okay? Don't overthink it. Just check it out. I want you to watch this. I'm going to scan through it a little bit, and then I'll show you how simple it is. This is perfect for beginners because this is a done-for-you system. You don't have to create anything here. You don't have to create any capture pages, any funnels, any email autoresponders. Everything is already done for you. All you got to do is plug in. All right. So check this out. I'm just going to show a snippet of this video. Let's see if we can get this thing to play.
With CMP, you're not just learning how to create content that captivates. You're also setting yourself up for consistent, reliable income. You'll be equipped to do both. Build a brand that shines online and generate instant income that keeps you moving forward every single day. No waiting, no guessing, just results.
The system and the training inside of CMP makes it super easy to create high quality content. Plus, you'll love those $400 instant commissions.
It's not just about the money, it's about the skills you'll learn, but getting paid instantly definitely helps.
CMP offers 4 incredible packs to get you started, no matter your experience level. First up, we've got the Designer Pack. If you're serious about making your content stand out, this pack is where to start. You'll learn how to create eye-popping graphics and pictures, stunning 3D visuals, high-converting presentations, and plus get over 400 AI prompts to boost your creativity. All for just a one-time payment of $100. And when you refer someone that purchases this pack, you're earning $40 in instant referral commissions every time someone buys using your link. This pack is perfect if you want your content to stand out and get noticed. Next up, we've got the Creator Pack. This pack includes everything from the Designer Pack, plus training on how to create captivating smartphone videos and how to easily edit them just using your phone. You also get access to 1,000 pre-made viral videos to share online and so much more, all for a one-time payment of $250. And you're earning $100 in instant referral commissions for every person you refer to this pack. Then there's the Influencer Pack, which also includes the Creator and Designer Packs. Inside, you'll learn how to create high-converting sales funnels, like capture pages, bridge pages, and sales pages. Everything you need to turn visitors into loyal customers. This pack is a one-time payment of $500, and you're earning $200 in instant referral commissions every time you make an influencer sale. And finally, the Pro Pack. This is the premier pack that includes all the previous packs and more. We're talking advanced strategies, step-by-step training on top-tier AI tools that'll put you miles ahead of the competition. Learn how to clone your voice using AI, master faceless marketing, See how you can create video presentations just like this one and edit videos like a pro without you doing the editing. Plus, you're going to learn how to create viral videos that'll make you the talk of the town. The Pro Pack is a $1,000 one-time payment, and you're earning $400 in instant referral commissions on every Pro Pack referral. If you're serious about dominating your business and maximizing the CMP compensation plan, this is the pack that'll get you there. And here's where it gets really exciting. Our 100% check match compensation plan. Every time someone you refer earns a direct commission, you earn the same amount in a 100% check match bonus. Imagine doubling your income just by helping others succeed.
I'm so glad I found this platform called CMP. They teach how to market. Yo, you see this phone they have in the back office, man? You need to get back there of how to use this phone properly to do videos.
All right, guys. So that's a snippet of CMP. You just basically heard the comp plan. All right. So let's take a look at it real quick here, because this is what I want you to check out. So we have our dashboard. Like I mentioned earlier, everything is included. The funnel, the email autoresponders, all of that is here. You have your dashboard. As you can see, I'm in my dashboard. It says right here, dashboard, right? So how simple is it? Well, here's your lead capture page, already done for you. All right, here's your thank you page. This system will do all the sifting, sorting, selling, and telling for you. So you're not explaining this program to people. Your job is just to get people over to this page, right? This lead capture page. Then they'll see the thank you video, which explains the program in detail. They'll get access to this page. All this will flow, okay? And they'll get to see how the system works all the way from A to Z without you having to explain it. If they decide they want to get started, they will have an option on your website. Let me show you what it looks like. Let's say we go back over here. So you look at this page, okay? You'll get access to this page. See, step 1, get started. Step 2, copy and paste ads on social media. Step 3, get paid, right? So they click this button right here. See you on the inside. Here are the options: designer, creator, influencer, and pro. That's what he just talked about on the videos, the different 4 packages. They'll come over here. They'll sign up, first name, last name, email address, make the payment. And as it states here, it's going to be 3 steps to this. They're going to pay the admin. And it tells you that right here. You will pay the admin now. You will pay the person that referred you. And then you're going to pay their sponsor. 3 people, but the system walks you through that. All right. And then you can accept payments pretty much any way you want. We'll get into that in a second. But I wanted to show you how simple this thing is. So here's the dashboard, right? So here's all the pages and everything here. Now, the pre-made ads are already here for you as well. All you got to do is come in here. The first thing you want to do is go here. Let me show you real quick. Let me back up. Hang on. All right, you're going to come here on the dashboard. Before you get started with anything, follow these steps. Step 1, watch the video above. Join the Facebook group. Click this button. See the steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come down here, access your training. Step 4, get your referral link, which I just showed you those pages. And you want to set up your payment option, okay? Let me show you that, and then I'll show you where the pre-made ads are. So then you click over here to the left for your payment options. Here's a video here that'll walk you through that. But if you come down, here's a list of all the payment options in which you can accept payments for: Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, debit card, credit card, or cryptocurrency, okay? Or you can select all of these, or you can select one. It's all up to you. This is your business. All right, so come down here. I want to show you where the ads are. So if you look, see, here's the email swipes that I talked about. But right here, pre-made ads, boom. Look at the ads already here. They're done for you. Copy and paste ads. Okay, pre-made ads. And like it states right here, all you have to do is click this purple button and click download. It'll download that picture for you. Okay, and then you just copy these guys. Okay. So everything is here for you. simple, step by step. All right. So make sure you come in, you click that link, pick the package, get in where you fit in. All right. Whether you want 100, you want to be able to earn $40, 100, 200, or $400 commissions. It's all up to you. You decide. Let me show you this real quick though before I let you go. All right. Let me see here. Hang on one second. Click this. Let me show you. So when you go to my referral links, you'll see all those pages I just mentioned. So let's say we were here, right? We come here. I want to show you those options here so that you can kind of figure out what works best for you, what's included. So if you come all the way down this page, of course you get these bonuses too. Forgot to mention that. You get all these bonuses. Doesn't matter which level you start at. All right. And the company is going to put you in the company's rotator. But right here, the comparison chart where you can see all 4 programs, and to the left, it will tell you, okay, what's in each package. Okay, so you can see right here where this one, the designer, the $100 one, doesn't include these features or these trainings. Okay, so what you see far as the number, the admin fee is already included. So this is the exact number. Whether you want to get started paying $100, $250, $500, or $1,000. This is one-time payment, by the way. There's no monthly fees with this. Okay, and it's not network marketing or MLM. It's direct sales, member to member. Okay, so that's how this works. But the great thing, as it's stated in that video you just watched, why I got excited about this program is the 100% check match. Okay, I'm used to the instant commissions portion. I'm used to digital products, but most programs do not give you the 100% check match. Okay, because you're receiving 100% commissions, whereas this one you're getting 80% commissions, but you're going to get paid and be able to leverage everybody that signs up with you. Because when they get paid, you get paid. That's the difference. Okay? This way, everybody can win. Because when it's 100% commissions, which I love those, I'm just pointing this out to you. When it's 100% commissions, it's a one and done. So if I signed you up today, let's say with one of my 100% commission programs, that's it. No more earnings from you that I will be able to receive unless you upgrade to another package, right? Whereas with this one, you're going to get the 100% match. So when you say I signed you up with this program, when you make $40, $100, $200, or $400, I would make the same. That's the match. And the same will go for you as well. So that's the difference here. The check match is powerful, leveraging other people's efforts. All right. And this is a different program. All right, because with this, you're getting this content. That's why it's called Content Marketing Pros. A little different than the other programs that you've seen me talk about. All right, so go check it out. Watch the video, go through the funnel, see how it all works. That way you can see how it's going to look to your prospects. All right, check it out. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My info is below. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.